Waterhouse were leading Harbourview 1-0 at sports time in their return leg Red Star Premier League quarter-final playoff match at the Jerusalem Stadium. Cardell Benbow netted in the 8th minute to give Waterhouse the lead. Waterhouse now hold a 2-0 lead on aggregate after winning the first leg 1-0 thanks to an 89th minute winner from Keithy Simpson. This at the Harbourview Mini Stadium on Monday. The winner of this game will meet defending champions Arnett Gardens in one semi-final, while Cavalier and Portmore United will clash in the other semi-final. The first leg semi-final fixtures are slated for Sunday and Monday. Two-time National Sportswoman of the Year, Ali Atkinson, is in prime position to win Jamaica's first medal at the Commonwealth Games, which got underway on Thursday in Australia. Atkinson will be aiming to improve on her silver medal from 4 years ago in Glasgow, Scotland, when she contests the final of the women's 50-metre breaststroke in the Gold Coast on Friday morning. That's 4:41 in the AM. Atkinson, the Commonwealth Games record holder, enters the final with the fastest time after touching the wall in 30.53 seconds in her semi-final. She was the flag bearer at the opening ceremony and posted 30.98 seconds to take Heat 1. The 29-year-old won 2 medals at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland back in 2014, where she also picked up a bronze in the 100-metre breaststroke and the silver in the 50-metre breast.